Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will be showing you how you can extract frame or an image at a particular time from a video in Flutter Android application. So let's get started. So first let me show you guys the output. Let me quickly mirror my device. So I'll just ignore this code. You don't need Android Studio. I mean, you need to have Android Studio installed, but we will be writing all the code via VS Code, so don't worry about it. So here you can see I have this application. So here I have one button called pick video, and here I have one text saying no video selected. So I'll just click on this pick video button and I'll just select one random video. Now I'm extracting the frame as at 5th second. Okay, so I'll just select this video, and here you can see it is playing the video, and it has below the video the image is extracted from the 5th second. So I'll just show you the 5th second. Now there is a little bit of, I would say, little bit of inconsistency. I mean, the inconsistency is from the video player package, it is not from my code. So I'll just show you the 4th second. So here you can see the 4th second. Okay, sorry, so I'll just move it back. So here you can see, okay, it is this is really annoying. Anyways, hopefully you got the point. At the 4th second you saw this, right? You saw this particular thing. So from that I have extracted the image, but in my code I am telling it to extract it from 5th second. So there is a little bit of milliseconds delay or a gap, I would say. So yeah, just wanted to make it very clear at the start of the tutorial. Also, the other thing which I want to mention is all the the frame extraction code is written via native code, that is Kotlin, because there is no third-party library available at the time of me recording this. So that's why I'm using native code for this. So anyways, let's get started. So here I have created my Flutter application. So this is my Flutter application being created. Then you just need to go to main.dart. Before you go to main.dart, inside pubspec.yaml I have added few dependencies. One is image picker for picking video, video player as well as chibi for playing the video with controls. That's it. Then go to main.dart, and here I have added few of this imports, so make sure you add all these imports. This is boilerplate code which is present by default. I have not changed any of this. So here is our homepage widget, which is a stateful widget. Here we initialize our image picker. Here is our video player controller as well as chibi controller as well. Then here is our method channel called frame extractor platform. So this is for invoking native code, and here we'll get our base64 image. Here we dispose our video controller as well as chibi controller. Then here is our scaffold safe area column. Here I have one text button, so on click of it we are just picking a video. Then we are sending the video path as well as the millisecond. So this is in millisecond, okay, the time at which you want to extract the frame. So you can change this to whatever value you feel like, and this is the method name. So you need to write a same string name on native Android side as well. And once we get the base64, so sometimes the base64 has this /s or /n, so I'm just filtering that out. That's what I'm doing over here. Then we are disposing our view controller and chibi controller. We are initializing it, and then we initialize our chibi controller as well, and then we set the state, assign this clean base64 to this particular variable, and this is the text of our button. And here I'm just checking if chibi controller not equal to null, and if we have a proper video we just play the video with the help of aspect ratio, else we display a text saying no video selected. And this is for displaying the extracted frame or image. So base64 image is equal to null. Then we display a container, else we display the image using image.memory, decode the image and display it. Now next you need to go to the Android folder, go to app, go to build.gradle.kts. You need to scroll down, and here you need to add this dependencies block, where you need to add this Media3 exo player, Media3 UI, Media3 common, Media3 inspector, and this concurrent future KTX as well. Now this Media3 inspector is for extracting the frame. Unfortunately at the time of me recording it is still in beta, so if it does become stable by the time you guys are watching this video, make sure you use the stable version. Then go to src, you need to go to main, go to Kotlin and main activity. So firstly you will have to copy paste all these imports which are there. Then I have just changed this to Flutter fragment activity. Okay, then here is our method channel result, which is basically used for sending data from native Android side to Flutter side. Then here we Okay, so here we override this configure flutter engine method. Here we have to annotate this unstable API, because at the time of me recording this video, these things are still bit unstable. That's why I had to do this. Okay, anyways, okay, so here we are overriding this. Then here we add this super.configure flutter engine. Here we are adding this line. If you don't add this line, you will get a weird error from image picker plugin which we are using, saying that the communication, it uses pigeon, which is another plugin. Communication with native code is causing some problems. That's why I had need to add this particular line of code. So here I have just created the method channel with the same name, and here we initialize our method channel result. Here is our method. So first we get the path and time in second from Flutter side, then we do a lifecycle scope dot launch, and first we initialize our media item. Then here on a background thread, background coroutine, we just create our frame extractor. So if you are using Android version upside down cake, you can also extract HDR frames. If you want to pass any media 3 effect, you can do that. I have commented it out. But if you're like me, not using upside down cake lower Android version, then again also you can just extract normal image as well. Then here we initialize our frame extractor. So I'm extracting at 5th second. Again, you don't really need this comment, you can remove this. Then we close our frame extractor, we get our bitmap, we convert it to base 64 and send it back. And this is a helper method to convert bitmap to base 64. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.